In this video, I'll show you how you can change your page layout size in Microsoft Word. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. At first, you need to be logged into your Microsoft Word, right? So I'm going to change the page layout size of this document, right? So when it comes to printing a document here on Microsoft Word, the page layout really matters because you can print on different types of pages, right? With different lengths and widths. So the most pages people use for doing this or for printing on Microsoft Word is the A4 paper layout size, right? So in this video, I'll show you how you can change your page layout size. So as when you want to print a document, you print it accordingly, right? So what you need to do once you are done with typing, this is currently a single page. So I want to change the page layout size. Now what I need to do, I would scroll up to this page layout. I'll click on it. Then among this option, you'll be displayed with some other options: the margins, orientation, size, columns, text direction, page setup, section breaks, and page breaks. So what you need to select this size, right? From this size, you'll be displayed with some options. So the most effective one, or the most used one, or the most favorable option is this A4 paper, right? 8.27 times 11.69. You'd click on it. You can still adjust it to this A3. You can still adjust it to letter, lega, right? But the most favorable one is A4 paper. So click on A4 paper. Once you're done, it will be displayed with this option. This is how you can change the page layout size in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.